Welcome to a real-time demonstration of Augtool, showcasing how its batched products can be recorded, tracked, and found through chain of custody reporting. Many industries require products to be batched and traced. We will look at how the raw materials and finished products of cheese and ice cream will be utilized and batched. Our solution Augtool has many types of products, but those that are batched are handled in a special way. Each batched product maintains the settings, summary stock values per warehouse, and rules of its batches. But when you receive or produce inventory in Augtool for these products, batches will be created as you can see here. Each batch with its unique batch number could be fully or partially used, if at all. And you can see how much demand is created by sales orders and how much stock is available in each warehouse with its allocated expiry date.
Let's open one of our milk batches in the raw materials bulk warehouse or tank. I can see right away that it has been partially used and that it came from GRV 241. Every document that uses this batch will be listed here for traceability. Let's open the GRV to see what was ordered and from who we ordered this batch. We see that Steenkamp General Dealers delivered 1,000 liters of milk and other products. I can see each batch created by the system for each batched product by clicking on the Stock Moves icon. I can also see when and which user in the system received the stock, and I can download our milk test sheet that we used on the day and securely stored on the source document. We have just seen how receiving batched inventory for cheese production creates batches with its unique batch number for traceability. Here are a few sales orders that are outstanding. By looking at the green icons to the right, I see that 2 orders from Dark Wonders have only been sent to production for processing, but have not been produced nor delivered. Let's open sales order 199 for Belgium chocolate ice cream. The customer is asking for their stock, and you notice that the delivery was not processed. You also see that the production run was not completed. So you quickly navigate to the production order via the linked documents and see that the production run was only started and that no ice cream was produced in the system. Someone forgot to complete the run. When you open the production run, you can see that all the input batches have already been allocated. All of the partial batch allocations have been recorded for traceability with time date stamps and user logging. What's so helpful here is that the system can show the user which batch to select based on expiry dates and other information. This improves the ability to comply with health and safety while guaranteeing the freshest ice cream. The production manager should have allocated 2 batches of ice cream to this run for the 2 deliveries they have requested. I quickly set the expiry dates for traceability and label printing on the 2 batches and complete the order. Notice how the production run has tracked each input batch and each output batch on the production run. This is required for chain of custody tracking. Now that we have done the job of our production manager and have taken notes to talk to him about this, we can navigate back to the sales order and process the first delivery note, 450 units of batch 423. Our customers frequently demand smaller and quicker deliveries. These could even be 2-hour priority orders. With Augtool, I can easily select which batch I am delivering, and I can fully or partially use any batch. All units on the line have to be batched. There is no getting around this. Augtool ensures that every single batched item that is received, produced, transferred, delivered, etc. has a batch number and date timestamp imprinted on it for traceability. Invoicing multiple delivery notes in Augtool is easy. Just add another open and linked delivery note to the invoice, check the invoice, and post to complete the order. There are many other rules and automations we could talk about, but what does this essentially assist us with? We can now trace any batch delivered to a customer back to its source. Let's have a look at a Belgium chocolate ice cream batch that I can see was created on the 23rd of August by a production run and delivered on the same day. Let's go trace this batch with chain of custody reporting. By entering in batch 424, the system shows you what has happened to the main batch 424 and from which source batches it came from. Let's have a look at the milk batch, batch 403. I can see that it was used in 2 production runs and it came from goods receipt 241. We can drill down further into the goods receipt, where we can once again see any test sheets, batches, and user log. With Augtool batching and chain of custody, you can improve safety and compliance, utilize expiration date tracking, create smoother recall processes, manage the quality of your products in smaller batches, and reduce accounting mistakes and track costs and profit per batch. Contact us today for a live demonstration.